Okay, our group just got done with this performance and let's see who it is. So, can you tell us about your group, please?
Yeah, I'm Steve. I'm from a band called Hurricane Bells. We're an American group from Brooklyn, New York. We have four people on this trip. I ended up actually playing all the stuff on the recordings, and all my friends are in other bands, and so I was very fortunate they all said yes when I asked them to come over and play with me. But we have Jason from Longwave on drums, Anthony from Mercury Rev on bass, and Ashen from Scout is singing.
So is this the first time you're performing in Mumbai and Kala Ghoda?
Well, it's first time in Kala Ghoda. We played in Pune last night, so that's not really Mumbai, is it?
No.
Okay, so this is our first time.
Okay, in Mumbai as well?
Yeah.
Right. So what kind of vibes did you get from the crowd and how was the response?
It was great, you know. I mean, I don't think that people know the material all that well. So for us to go up and play and get a good response was just great.
So to inform our viewers, what genre do you guys play?
Indie rock.
And how have you have a band now? So how did all of y'all come together? Was it through a social site or you guys are friends or how is it?
I like the social site idea. I should try that. Like they have Craigslist in Mumbai, right? You do, right? Oh yeah, we have all that. Yeah. No, as I said, I recorded all the material myself, and there's a record called Tonight Is the Ghost, and then one of the extra songs is called Monsters, and that one was used on the Twilight. The newest Twilight movie. But, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Team Edward.
Team Edward.
You?
Yeah, I love Edward.
All right, we're all right. No.
All right.
Yeah, so when it came time to do the shows, I just asked some friends to play, and so luckily I've been playing music for a very long time, and I just know these guys, and we've known each other for very many years.
That's cool, okay. For youngsters, this is such a treat. Knowing more about Twilight? Oh, that's so cool. Alright, so have you checked out the stalls and all?
Oh, yeah. I bought a little notepad. I bought an incense holder. My suitcase is filled to the brim. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I'm going to have to buy a suitcase as well.
Alright. So how do you like the stalls? I mean, and there are so many working for foundations and NGOs. What do you think of it?
I think it's great. Actually, my girlfriend's there's someone in the family with cancer, and so when I saw there was a cancer, I don't forget the name now, but it was something to do with research, and I bought a couple things from there. Just to know that it's going to a good cause made me feel pretty good, and I could use the stuff.
Alright. So you like Mumbai, and what do you think of Mumbai as a city now that you're here for the first time?
It's terrific, you know. I mean, we've only been here for a little over 24 hours. Tomorrow we have a time to go around, and we're going to go to a couple more markets, Crawford Market, a couple other places, and so I'm sure we're going to have a great time.
Alright. So, hope you have a great time in Mumbai.
Come here. Who is this guy? He's gone. He's left me.
Alright, hope you have a great time in Mumbai.
Yeah.
And see you around.
Yeah, thanks for
Thank you.